Welcome back. Progressions. Different types of progression. Arithmetic progression. Different cases. Various activities. We have dealt with all these cases in the previous sessions. Last class we were discussing about a series where the series in an arithmetic progression where some of that series is given and you need to find three unknown values or three unknown numbers. In that case, we know how to do. In next case is an arithmetic progression where the sum is given. You need to find four unknown values. In that case, your assumption will be let the four numbers be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Let's try the same in some of the cases. Find four numbers in arithmetic progression whose sum is 20 and the sum of those squares is 120. The same concept which we have dealt in the previous session. Just follow the same steps. In this case, you need to assume one extra value. So, from the question we can extract that the four unknown values will be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. In the first sentence it is given, find the four numbers in arithmetic progression whose sum is 20. That is, that four unknown values, we know what is that four unknown values. In the question it is said that if the sum of four unknown values is 20, then we can find that, or we can arrive that a minus 3d plus a minus d plus ad plus a plus 3d, you will get 20. From this, you get a equal to 5. Let it be equation A. Next sentence, and the sum of those squares is 120. Sum of the squares of those four unknown values. The four unknown values we know a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. So the sum of the squares of those four you will get 120. It can be written as a minus 3d the whole square plus a minus d the whole square plus a plus d the whole square plus a plus 3d the whole square, you will get 120, where a is 5 because we just arrived at value of a in the previous step. By substituting the value of a in the same equation and by using the mathematical step of a minus d or a plus d the whole square situation, you can arrive at, see, 25 minus 30d plus 9d square. These three came from first bracket, that is 5 minus 3 the whole square. We all know a minus d the whole square situation. Followed by 5 minus d the whole square, you will get 25 minus 10d plus d square. That is expansion of 5 minus d the whole square. Same case, 25 plus 10d plus d square is the expansion of third one, 5 plus d the whole square. And finally, 25 plus 30d plus d 9d square is the expansion of situation 5 plus 3d the whole square equal to 120. From this, you need to identify the similar values or similar numbers or variables and shorten it to this. Finally, you will arrive at 100 plus 20d square equal to 120. I think you all know where it will leads to. 20d square equal to 120 minus 100. Finally, you arrived at d square equal to 1. D square equal to 1. We know the value of a and also the value of d. D square equal to 1 means d is 1. Now we have a and d. By substituting the value of a and d in the unknown cases, you will get the answer. Usually students arrive at a careless situation where By after finding the value of A and D, they stop the entire activity because they in the mind they think that the value of A and D, yeah, they got the answer. Okay, finish. Don't do like that. Here the value of A and D is based on the assumption that let that four numbers be A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. So once you arrive at a value of A and D, you need to substitute those two values in that unknown case. Then only you will get the value of actual value of four unknown values. By substituting the value of A and D in the formation A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D, 5 minus 3 into 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3, another case, one value of one variable, 5 minus 1, the value of another variable, 5 plus 1, another number, 5 plus 3, another number. You will finally get the value of four unknown values. The answer is 2, 4, 6, 8. Next case. A club consists of members whose ages are in arithmetic progression, the D being 3 months. D, you all know what is meant by D. If the youngest member of the club is 7 years old and the sum of the ages of all the members is 250 years, find the number of members in the club. D is missing, sorry. Okay, we can extract the available values in the question. Here A equal to 84 months. Yes, there is no details regarding 84 months, but you need to extract to its month scale. Because in the question it's given, here the common difference or the D is in 3 months. It's in month scale. And the rest of the values are given in years. So either you need to convert all the scales in years or all the cases in months. For the time being, let's convert the available years into months. So in this case, if the youngest member of the club is 7 years old, so let's convert that to month scale. So 7 into 12, you will get 84 months. Here in the question, if the youngest member in the club, youngest means the first member. You know the arithmetic progression begins with a first number, that will be A. Let A equal to 84 months. And D is 3 months. It's already given in the question. And S is 3000 months. In the question it is given 250 years. We converted it into months. You will get 250 into 12, 3000 months. By substituting the available data in the equation, you can write 3000 equal n by 2 into 2A. 2 into 84 plus n minus 1, we don't know the value of n, and D is 3. And you will get 3000 equal n by 2 into 168 plus 3n minus 3. In order to remove this fraction, n by 2, you just multiply the 2 with 3000 and you will get 6000 equal n into 165 into 3n. Okay. By opening the bracket, you will get 6000 equal to 165n plus 3n square. Ultimately leads to minus 3n square minus 65n plus 6000. We can convert the same to this form like 3n square plus 165n minus 6000. Now it's in a quadratic form. You know how to deal with the quadratic situations. Just remember, this is an arithmetic mean situation case. Still, we are using quadratic equation steps. So be aware about all the cases which we have dealt in the previous sessions. Okay, by using the quadratic equation, you will get the value 25 and minus 80. And next step, you all know which number has to be selected. N cannot be negative, therefore N is 25. Total number of members is 25. I hope you have understood what all these steps are relating to. And what are the steps which has to be considered when an arithmetic progression with a sum where you need to find 3 unknown cases as well as 4 unknown cases. Just remember the 2 nodes. That's all for today. Thank you.